I'm going to talk today. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Good to have you here again. I'm going to talk today about creating a no-brainer offer. Okay, so let's just begin from the very start. What do you need to do to create a no-brainer offer, and what actually defines that, and how do we know the market, what you should be, what you should appear as, etc. Right? So from the beginning, no matter what social media platform that you pick, you need to become a specific person for a specific thing. Okay, specific service, specific product, etc. Okay, so for example, I was Mike the landing page guy. Now I'm Mike the freelance guy. So I used to only talk about landing pages and so on, and then actually only advertise landing pages and sell landing pages. Now I'm Mike the freelance guy, so I'm much more rounded. I do landing pages, I coach people, and I do a lot of different things. Okay, so that's what I'm called, the freelance guy. Now for you, you can become, look at the skill that you have, become that person. If you're good at Webflow, become the Webflow guy, become that Webflow girl, whatever it may be. Become a copywriter. You could have your name as Pablo, the copywriter, Alfie Funnels, Alfie Webflow, whatever it may be, okay? Alex Replo, Osh e-commerce. Different things like that. Okay, so pick your skill, pick your target, put it in your name on your social media platform. Okay, be the go-to person when a business owner looks up that example, a Webflow landing page, and you pop up. You're the only person that pops up because you're so niche down, you're so defined. Okay, example, I will generate at least 10 leads in 10 days or your money back. This is an offer, okay? So there's a difference between a service and an offer, and a lot of people get confused by this. A service is, I sell landing pages, I sell copywriting. An offer is, I will generate at least 10 leads in 10 days or your money back. That's an offer, all right? So another example here is, I will edit 3 YouTube videos in 2 days, and if one doesn't get at least double the watch time of any video you've ever released, then you get your money back. Fantastic. Sounds pretty good to me, right? You're doubling your watch time. Another example here. I will write a landing page that converts at least 30% of your cold traffic in 2 days or your money back. Now, these are bold claims. Is it always going to work out? No. Will you have to refund the odd time? Yes, that's just fact of the matter. But you're going to sign so many more deals because of it. Okay. From there, there's a promise. I will do or generate. And what are you promising to do? Right? So there's the promise, I will do this. There's the result, at least 10 leads, okay? And there's 2x your conversion rate or double your revenue, whatever the deliverable is, okay? From there, there's a timeline or a deadline. How fast can you do it? So this is a formula, essentially. Promise, result, time, deadline. How fast or slow will you get this result? This doesn't have to be super quick. I will create a website that converts 3x higher than your current site in 6 months or your money back. This is still a guaranteed result for someone, and they're still going to do much better, okay? Then there's the guarantee. What happens if you fail? How can you make this risk-free or charge based on results, which will be a revenue share or X amount per booked call? Revenue shares are very, very powerful if you're confident in your service and confident in what you offer. Now, speaking on that, confidence. Do not promise what you can't deliver. Okay, it's not, once you can do it 9 times out of 10, you can deliver that product or service 9 times out of 10, perfect. But if you can't do it every single time, don't take on that risk, right? So don't promise what you can't deliver. Have it easy to sell and easy to deliver. So 10 leads in 10 days will be easy for someone running a lot of ads or someone that has a lot of followers. 10 leads in 10 days will be difficult no matter how good your landing page or funnel is if they don't run ads and don't have followers. It's just fact of the matter. So you have to vet everyone basically that you're taking on. Do they qualify for your guarantee? And a random thought here, can you create thumbnails to get a 10% click rate? Advertise this as an offer, right? This is for YouTube, if you're selling YouTube funnels, let's say. We promise 5 booked calls in 5 days, or we pay you $1,000. I've seen this, and we bring you to the nicest restaurant, your favorite restaurant, etc. Reduce pain and work they have to do to achieve the desired outcome. Make the offer so good that you don't need a long landing page detailing everything possible. To make an offer truly become irresistible due to what you can offer. You can offer a landing page, content creation, but you can build a VSL or nurture leads, right? So identify your target audience, focus on value, offer a compelling incentive, create urgency, use persuasive language, provide a guarantee, a risk reversal, so there's no risk on them, leverage social media, optimize your pricing, provide exceptional customer service. One problem with the marketplace is that everyone's guaranteeing more and more, making the claims more outrageous, which reduces trust with your prospects. To overcome this, you need to become the authority or the go-to person for the specific thing. So back to my first point of having the name of what you do, Webflow, etc. in your social media. So an example here of automation, the most he promised was that you'd save 10 hours a week, which was quite easy for him to do. And it sounded like a good guarantee, but nobody asked him about that headline because they knew he could execute on these automations. The people who are relying on the guarantee are those who expect you to fix their whole business and tends to be the worst clients. You have a great headlining, showcasing benefits, outcomes generated for your service, but don't come up with ridiculous claims that you cannot deliver on. That's very important. We're all using Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. to drive traffic to our services. The best thing you can do is have an insanely good content system, right? Shows competence, and then have a headline that resonates with the business owner and they want to receive those benefits or that outcome that you have in your offer. So as a business owner, there's zero shot they're believing you can guarantee 90K in 90 days. Why? Because they'll immediately think, I don't have the lead flow for that, their deal size is too small, they don't run ads, and so on and so on. So stick to showcasing clear and concise content that displays to the business owners that you're an expert to help their business. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like, subscribe, and check out the description below. I got something good for you. Take care. Thanks for watching.